Now bryophyta. Bryophyta are called higher cryptogams. Bryophyta are called higher cryptogams. Higher cryptogams. Bryophyta or bryophytic plants are generally found in shady and moist places. It is generally found in shady and moist places and in Himalayan areas. Himalayan areas or hilly region. So it is found in hilly region. True, there is lacking of true root system and leaf. There is lacking of true root stem and leaf, but root-like structure rhizoids is found. Root-like structure rhizoids and stem-like and leaf-like structure is found. In bryophytic plant, there is lacking of vascular tissue. There is lacking of vascular tissue. There is lacking of vascular tissue, that is xylem and phloem. So xylem and phloem are generally absent. Most important thing is that plant body is gametophyte. Plant body is gametophyte. Plant body is gametophyte. It produces gametes. Male sex organ is called antheridium. Male sex organ is called antheridium, and female sex organ is called archegonium. And female sex organ is called archegonium. Antheridium produces male gamete antherozoids. Antheridium produces male gamete. Antherozoids and Archegonium produces female gamete egg, and Archegonium produces female gamete egg. In this way, male gamete antherozoid is biflagellate. It reaches to the female gamete egg by the help of water. So water is essential for fertilization. Water helps in fertilization. Antherozoid fuses to egg, and male gamete fuse to female gamete to form zygote. From zygote, a sporophyte is formed. From zygote, a sporophyte is formed. A sporophyte produces spores. A sporophyte produces spores. And spores germinate to form new plant body of bryophyte or gametophyte. A spore germinates to form new plant body of bryophyte or gametophyte. So there are two types of bryophyta. First is thalloid, like Rixia and Markensia. Its plant body is thallus-like. And another is leafy. It is advanced form of bryophyte. It has rhizoids, stem and leaves. So leafy forms are called advanced. So example of bryophyta are Rixia, example it is thalloid, and moss or funaria. Is called leafy. In this way, we have learned another group of plant kingdom, bryophyta, and bryophyta is called first amphibians of land plants. Amphibian means it is found in water or on terrestrial condition. So it is called amphibians also.